reservation booked for Lawrence Jones?
Of course, Mr. Jones. I believe your other party is seated and waiting.
Hi. So, Melinda.
Huh?
Melissa. How are you, gorgeous?
I'm good, I'm good. Nice choice of restaurant, isn't it? Good little underdressed.
You look gorgeous. You look perfect, in fact. Can you excuse me for just 2 seconds? Just. How many reservations have I got booked for tonight?
2, sir.
Okay. How much would it cost to keep them as far apart from each other as possible?
I don't want your money, sir. But in the interest of this restaurant's reputation, I'll do my best to keep your girlfriends apart.
Hi, sexy.
Amy! you look gorgeous. Perfect, in fact.
You too, babe.
This one.
Why don't you sit this side and I'll sit over here.
Good evening, sir, madam. Can I get you any drinks?
I will have a Chardonnay, please.
I'm double scotch. Better make it a triple.
Never sour?
Thirsty.
Oh, right.
Would you excuse me?
Go ahead.
Sorry, I should have gone before I left.
It's okay.
Good evening, sir. Madam, can I get you any drinks?
Could I have a mineral water, please?
Mineral water. And for you, sir, scotch, double, maybe a triple.
Philip.
It's Philippe.
Philippe, you know me too well.
Uh-huh.
A friend of yours?
Something like that. Is it really hot in here?
I'm okay, actually. You do look a bit red, though. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm more than fine. What are we having?
I think I'm going to have the risotto.
Fantastic.
Ready to order?
Could I have the risotto, please?
Of course. And for you, sir?
I'll have the same.
2 risottos it is.
Oh, is that me? Oh, it's my mum. I better take it. Oh.
Everything okay?
Ready to order?
I'm sorry, could we have a few moments, please? He hasn't even sat down for more than 5 minutes.
No, it's fine. You order. I'll just have whatever you're having.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna have, spaghetti bolognese, please. Are you sure that's what you want?
Absolutely fine.
Lawrence, I hope you don't mind me asking, but are you okay? You're kind of sweating. It's the middle of the winter. Do you want to get some fresh air? I will come with you then. Dear.
No. You wait here. It's cold outside.
Everything okay?
Yeah, fine. Fine. Why wouldn't it be? I mean, I just drank a lot of water before I came here.
You've lost me.
The toilet?
Thought you had a phone call.
Phone call? Yes. Well, you know, two birds, you see.
So how is she?
She,
Your mother.
Oh, Mum! Mum's fine. Sorry, I was miles away. You know, I think I'm coming down with something. It affects your memory or something.
Right.
Yeah, awful, contagious, in fact. So maybe this wasn't such a good idea. I don't want you getting ill or anything, and this thing is an awful thing to have. So, you know, maybe should we cancel the order?
Oh.
Cancel those spag bowls, my friend.
Spag bowls?
There. We've had to have a change of plan.
But you have.
So, you know, maybe we should say goodbye now, because I wouldn't want the wind blowing my disease into your face. But I'll call you. So, babe, how was your day?
Much better now. How are you feeling? Feeling okay?
Oh, much more now looking at you.
Please.
Excuse me. Hi. What exactly is this?
Excuse me? And who are you? Lawrence? What the hell are you doing under the table? Get up!
Melinda! Melissa!
I know it's a date for this evening. Funnily enough, it looks like you are too.
Lawrence, is this true?
You really didn't think you'd get away with that, did you? Enjoy your meal, sir.